kids, hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you, babe.